TD customers Janine and Lanise wanted more healthy food options for Harlem.
We know how to cook, we're vegans, so we tried to introduce that plant-based lifestyle to the people within the community. Selling that vegan food turned into a business for us called Veganhood. When you shop with us, you shop for a cause. So everything you do with us is for a cause.
So Veganhood, although it's their pride and joy, I feel like it's my pride and joy because we've been through this journey together.
Natalie.
Natalie. Let me tell you how amazing Natalie is.
We had a great opportunity, and I'm so proud that one of our big box stores actually closed and they left all of their furniture. And we were able to make the connection.
She said, guys, come and get this stuff.
We got up, got dressed, called a moving company, and we got in there and was able to get all these things, all these tables, all these chairs.
2 moving trucks.
We had to have 2 moving trucks to get all that stuff.
Natalie helped us save a lot of money.
Natalie helped us save thousands of dollars by just that connect right there. That was awesome.
That helped us tremendously, and she's just been our partner, our third partner in a sense.
They're relentless, they're community oriented, they're go-getters, and I'm really proud of their initiative so far.
Currently, we're working with Natalie on a financial literacy program, a conference for the people in the community.
It makes us get up every morning and we're happy to go to work and be able to make a change in our community, and we just love it.
We're investing in the people who inspire, amplify, and elevate Black communities.